From our good friends over there at UNiceHair. I absolutely love them. As a matter of fact, I just filmed another wig by them. I'm not sure in the order these being uploaded, but I'll be sure to link it either at the end or right here. And that wig was bomb.com. So I'm hoping that this wig will provide us with the same slayage, because right now they have a 100% success rate with us. We really like them. All right, y'all. Subscribe. I always forget to say that. So y'all know that I like to take everything out of the shipping packaging with y'all on camera, because I like to be transparent in what you're gonna get when you get home, when you get it home. Right? Did I say that? You know what I mean. So it came in a shipping bag, but I wanted to point out that they also included a little dressing gown. And y'all, these little extras matter when you are about to spend some coin on human hair. So this is a little dressing gown, which is really cute. The unit came in this silk sack, in this box, hard box too, so that's great for storage. It says Unice cannot be defined. Okay, let me cut this little strap off. All right, so I see the wig. It looks like a little bob for those of you that like short hair, because the last one was straight and 24 inches. Not only they sent the wig, they sent an edge band with their name on it. They sent, ooh, oh Lord. Okay, they sent some stocking caps. And inside of the bag, they sent yet another edge band. Another pack of stocking caps, some eyelashes, and a little makeup brush. So that's cool, that's neat. Like I said, you feel a little bit better about spending the money you're about to spend. All right, so I'm reading the details about this wig straight off the packaging, but like always, looking at the description box, you'll see the details. This wig is a bob, and it is 12 inches long. Straight to the point. Nothing fancy, nothing, you ain't got, not too much. Okay? I hope it has this, and it does. It got some bomb construction. All right, so here's the unit. First of all, that's kind of giving just on my hand. I'm trying to get this knit off. Lord have mercy. Okay, we got some body, yaddy. Okay, and then as far as the wig construction, you get a comb in the back, adjustable straps, that small piece of lace. You get the band also secured or sewn directly into the wig, which is bomb. It'll make it lay flush to your little bald head. And then you get this like 4x4 parting space, but look at the box, because yeah, hell, that could be a 5x5, 6x6, 14x14, I don't know. But it looks like a 4x4 parting space, a comb to the right and a comb to the left, okay? Before I cut off that lace, let's put her on and see. The band came off. Shut up, girl. You knew what it was when you clicked on this video. You knew how I was coming. Unprepared. Oh, okay. Let's apply it to my head and see what she looks like. Shit, I'm 3 minutes in already. Oh. Oof, okay. All right, y'all, so normally I don't like a bob on me. Okay, so you're gonna have to just play with that, the part, okay? Normally I don't like a bob on me, but this is giving very Olivia Pope vibes, huh? Yeah, let us actually, yeah. Do I want it in the middle, y'all? Is the middle? No, I think I do want it over here to the right. Yeah, y'all, let's cut off this lace and play around with this one. I really think I'm gonna like it, even though I normally hate bobs. And then I'll come back with my final thoughts. Be right back. Oh. It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you say to my eyes. I know that I can make me clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. All right, y'all, so I'm back with my final thoughts on this little bob. And y'all, this is so cute. And it brought back a lot of memories for me because back when I wore sew-ins, when I had hair, back when I wore sew-ins, my cousin who does hair, she would often put me in an angled bob like this, and I absolutely loved it. So it's a little nostalgic for me. I absolutely love this wig. The quality of the hair is nice. The ease of this wig is nice. And I think the length is perfect for this hot summer that we all know is coming, right? There's nothing, I have no cons about this wig, but y'all, that's every time I'm working with a unit from UNiceHair. I absolutely love them. Like I said, if you look in the description box, you will see a direct link to this little cutie patootie, as well as all of the details. Like I said, maybe you're not into wigs. Maybe it's your auntie Anita. Maybe it's your Uncle Arthur, whichever one. Send them to me and UNiceHair, and I promise we will find a unit that they like, whether they want something long that they can sit on, or a little short, full cap, not an inch of lace pixie that they can put on to march down their church aisle. Whichever one, send them my way, and me and UNiceHair will get them right. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye.